Hello and welcome to Groove Builders. I'm Curtis. Today we've got a quick update for you, just explaining a Groove update which is quite important and will affect your site. So let's get into it. So the update was a few weeks ago on December 21st, and as you can see they've added a few things and fixed a few other things. The most important one which we'll be looking at today is the sitemap and robots.txt has been added. So now all Groove sites will have those features. Your sitemap, if you don't know what that is, I'll show you. Essentially, this might not mean anything to you, but it's essentially a map of the site for Google. So it tells Google where to find everything, and this is great for SEO. All sites should have a sitemap and robots.txt. Now the robots.txt, that is linked to the sitemap. It's related to it, but it's sort of not something you need to mess with at all. The sitemap, as long as you've got one and it's correct, that is brilliant for your SEO on your site. So Google knows where to find everything. It can link up your site on search results correctly. So now, as you can see, all Groove sites have got one. This is ours, groove.builders. And this is a great feature which was previously missing. Now we've got it. There is nothing you have to do to enable it on your site. It's basically just added from this update. Obviously you've already got the really easy to use site builder with tons of presets for you to create your site. Or we can help you with that if you go to our site groove.builders. If you have any questions, we'll be answering them in the comments or just to message our page. So that's all we've got for now. I hope you found this helpful and informative. Stick with us on our social media for more updates. Speak to you soon. Thank you.